can't even. Hello, is Evan around? He didn't come today. I'm trying to get to the bottom of a situation where I'm supposed to have my mail forwarded here. It's basically I made the request through USPS.com. They gave me a confirmation and everything. And I came the other day and they said that there was nothing here. So they said that they were going to contact Evan. Evan was going to get in contact with me. But Evan, for some reason, I haven't been able, I haven't spoken to him yet.
Okay, so you said you got that barcode letter, right?
I'm sorry?
You said that you got a letter with the barcode, right, and the phone.
Yeah, I got a confirmation, yeah.
And did you bring that confirmation, that barcode and your ID?
Yes.
And
They went in the back, they said there was nothing, they said I couldn't find any mail for you. She said that he left for the day, but she said she's gonna talk to someone named Sam, or maybe he's the letter carrier on the route to my house, I don't know.
Okay.
But it's kind of an emergency that I get the mail because
But David is not here, but the other supervisor is here.
that would be great. Yeah, maybe he could help out.
You
Or
could go
she.
to that door, I will tell you.
Sure thing, thank you. Hi, how you doing? I called. You're not Candace, are you?
No, there's no Candace here.
Then I'm mistaken. I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with my mail. I did a hold.
Who are you?
I'm Jason Wooden,
Okay.
and you are
Sylvia.
Sylvia.
Supervisor.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna have to speak to Evan. He's the manager here. I went to that address, they told me you don't live there.
So this happened before. This happened, and Evan was the one that straightened it out. Let me start by showing you my ID and explain to you what's going on. I have a federal case against the county because they have prevented me from caring for my mother who is incapacitated, who lives in the home. The problem is people are trying to purchase my home, right? On the living trust, I'm the only beneficiary, I'm the only person authorized to be actually living there. And that's what this case is about. It's a very important case. The issue is this. I asked the judge for time. I haven't been able to receive any answers from the county or anything that they're supposed to do procedurally. Come to find out, the mail kept coming back. So I said what I'll do is.
Well, whoever's at their home is giving the carrier that your mail.
They've done that before.
Because they said you don't live there.
They've done that before, but you have to have proper authorization in order to stop mail from being delivered somewhere.
Well, you have to speak to the people that live there that's giving the mail back to them.
There's nobody else that lives there aside from my mother. I have all the paperwork for being incapacitated on December 12th.
I don't need to see anything.
Yeah. Well,
You're gonna have to speak to Evan. He's here tomorrow.
Yeah, so, I mean, I'm staying out here, because I have to go back and forth to the courts, but can you give him a call and let him know I'm here with these items?
Well, he's off today, so I can't call him today. He's off.
Okay.
And he leaves, by 3:00, so you have to come probably early morning, early afternoon to catch him.
I got you. I was,
Because he's in charge, he's in
I
charge here.
understand. I appreciate that. Do you understand what I mean though, by if this case may get dismissed, and then we would have to appeal based on the fact that took the word over some states, probably not health aides who were trying to look at the cottage, who were trying to buy a house, the neighbors next door.
Thank you.
So, you have to, do you understand what I'm saying?
I understand.
Anybody, I can tell your own here, you didn't live here, that doesn't mean, if they stop delivering their mail,
But do you live there? Are you physically staying in the house?
did you just see my license?
I don't care what the license says. I'm asking you a question. Do you physically live in the home? Because they told me you don't.
Who did?
Whoever answered from the window and the people next door.
That's what I'm talking about. They're trying to buy that house. And not just the people next door. But you know what? Do you wanna see paperwork? Cause I'd be happy to.
You have to show it to Evan. Cause I work here down there. You have to speak to Evan. That's who
Okay,
you have to
so,
speak.
so Evan's the person who.
He's in charge.
Accounts if
Yeah.
he knows that I live there. He knows already because he started forwarding it again after they did
We
that
can
last
forward
time.
your mail somewhere else, but they don't want to mail at that address.
He doesn't. That's none of their business. That's none of the neighbor's business, nor is it anybody who's your home health aide that was put in there by my sister or anyone when she was alive before she had to disappear, or whatever the case may
I
be.
don't care. Speak to Evan tomorrow. That's who you have to
I
speak
just made a
to.
complaint, but now I've been trying to get in touch with him. He's ducking me.
You don't have to come here.
I'm here right now, man. This is the second, I came here the day before yesterday. I'm staying in Manhattan in hotels. And now I'm here because I have to go back and forth to the court to explain what's going on. In
So
the
you're not
meantime-
living there, you're staying in Manhattan.
And if I'm staying in Manhattan in a hotel, do you think I'm living in the hotel? You're not allowed to live in a hotel. You're not even allowed to receive mail in a hotel. This is my house. I'm paying with it. So please, just do me a favor. Can I get a complaint form? If
You have to go online
If we
and
can't get in touch
file.
with
You have to
them.
go online to USPS website and file a complaint.
USPS?
Yep.
Okay. And there's no way that we could avoid all that just by letting.
No, you have to go online and file a complaint.
All right, he's gonna be. I'm gonna have to name him in the lawsuit now, and it's unfortunate. Anybody else that's been part of this, because, like I said, you need to be authorized to tell someone whether or not they can receive mail or not receive mail at the property. The fact that they just say that, and we say, like I said, anybody can do that. Anybody could say, oh, he doesn't live here. Oh, she doesn't live here. The facts and the truth is coming out now. That's why they're scared. That's why they're like, oh,
Listen, I'm on the telephone.
yeah.
He's here up until 2:30, 3 o'clock every day.
But he doesn't matter. He obviously doesn't want to talk to me if I've been calling, and then even the day before yesterday, she's like, "Oh, he'll get in touch with you."
Well,
by
he's
the end
off
of the
today.
day."
That was yesterday, she said.
It's
She
just-
told me the information this morning. But he's off today.
So, yeah. Well, somebody needs to do something because I gotta go to the court right now. This is the letter. The letters received by. This is the Eastern Court. There's a lawsuit for $10 million. It's not a game.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Well, you have to speak to him, okay? I have to get back on this telephone.
And okay, I'm just gonna request formally again. Can we
Yeah,
please?
just go online
Yeah.
and file a complaint.
There's no way that, so the policy is I can't do it in the post office, cause I thought that this is
No,
a
it's on the USPS website.
I understand,
Okay.
I'll take your word for it.
Okay.
You got all that? Good. People can't do it like that. The neighbors, you heard her say the neighbors? The neighbor said it. Literally, like mafia.